The equipment cooling system keeps the temperature of the cockpit instruments and the electronic equipment in the E&E bay at less than the operating limits. The system has a normal supply fan and a normal exhaust fan. Also, there is an alternate supply fan and there is an alternate exhaust fan. The supply fan collects cool air from the passenger cabin and supplies it to the cockpit displays and electronic equipment in the E&E bay. The exhaust fan collects warm air from the cockpit displays, the circuit breaker panels, and the electronic equipment in the E&E bay. On the ground and in flight, with a low differential pressure, the overboard exhaust valve is open and the system discards the warm air overboard. In flight, at a higher differential pressure, the overboard exhaust valve normally closes and the system supplies the warm air to the lining of the forward cargo bay. The controls for the equipment cooling system are on the forward overhead panel. The supply switch operates the normal or alternate supply fan. The exhaust switch operates the normal or alternate exhaust fan. There are low airflow detectors in both the supply duct and exhaust duct. If the selected fan does not operate and the airflow stops, the related off light illuminates. When the off light illuminates, you select the related alternate fan. Select the alternate exhaust fan now. The off light extinguishes after the air starts to flow again. The alternate fan supplies the same quantity of airflow as the normal fan.